What is going on, guys? Parallaxox here, and today I'm going to show you how to, whenever you take a step, you'll make the day go faster. Well, the sun will set and do whatever you want. So first, in starter character scripts under starter player, you need to enter a local script. Get rid of the print hello world, and first you need to define run service, because we'll be using that later. Local run service equals game colon get service, and then run service, and then we'll define the player model, which will be the script.parent, because the starter character scripts places it in the character of the person. And we'll also define the humanoid just to make it easy. So we'll get the player model, and then we'll wait for child humanoid. And then we're going to create a function, so local function time step. And then if humanoid dot move direction dot magnitude is greater than 0, so basically if the humanoid is moving, then we will do game dot lighting dot clock time equals game dot lighting dot clock time plus, you can change this value however you want to make it go faster or slower. I just went with 0.01, so it'll change the clock time. Basically, I think it's like every time you take a step, it'll be 1/10 of a day. So 10 steps will be basically a full day, I think. And then outside of these ends, we need run service dot render stepped connect, and then time step. So whenever the run service renders a step, it will run this function. So if we go and we try this out, you should see whenever I move, if we look at the sun's moving with us, and the time's moving on and on and on and on, and it'll keep on getting dark. There's the moon, and it'll keep moving and moving and moving and moving. So that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.